The next tricky section is this one, who we are, more like an About Us section. So how do we go about to change this? Return to your My Front page, scroll down to this Sydney FP list here. You could press Edit to change the content here. So I'm just going to replace it with this. Let's just take this title here and put it here. And this paragraph here to here. We could have a list if you want to over here, or we could just take this text, copy it, change it to paste it, and just give it another of this. Or maybe we just delete this and leave it empty. Click Done, update, and let's refresh and see. Okay, there you have it. The next, let's look at this area. Sydney FP Skills. Click Edit, and here is where you can edit all the skills or add the skills that you want. I'm not going to change it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can go ahead and change this if you want to. If you don't want to show too many skills here, there's an easy way to hide it. Return to your My Front page, go down, over here the skills box, click on Edit, and if you want to hide any of this skill, you just go ahead and delete it. Let's just say I delete the strategy skill. I click Done, I go up and update, return and refresh, and the strategy skill has disappeared.